All right, everyone. Good morning. It is Wednesday, May 23rd. It's about 9:30 a.m. I apologize for the lateness of this. Had a few phone calls that delayed the video a little bit. We're looking at the market coming into a double top here. This is the prior week high and should pose some resistance here. The only thing that's giving me pause right at this point is the support line here. Now, this support line is running from the old high here from back in December of last year. And if you watch the weekly wrap or you've watched the webinar, you understand why I'm considering that is resistance at this point. So we're going to have to be careful with any kind of short trades. I am looking to go short if the market does drop back underneath 98.45. And with the stop loss above the high here, if the high stays at that level. Okay, so the high here we're tracking in at about, let's see, at this point 98.71. So all told about a 27 pip stop. Now I'm looking for the market to retrace back down to this trading lane line here, which means my target is coming in, depending on what time, about 99.70 to about 97.70 to about 97.85. That's going to give a potential profit here of between 60 and 75 pips. So I've got the basic 2-to-1 ratio here as far as my expectation. I really anticipate that if the market can't break through this level here, that we will get a retracement down. Again, possibly as far down as the top here, giving about 75 pips worth of profit. If we scoot back just a little bit on the chart, you'll see that level is also coming in right about, let's see, go ahead and extend the line off, right about here, which is the prior low here. It's also where the market was getting some resistance both here and here. So there's a lot of things lining up at this level, and I really think we can manage to get a breakout here. The only thing that makes me a little bit hesitant about taking a long trade is a breakout above here runs into resistance directly in this area. So I think I would rather wait for some kind of flag pattern or some kind of pennant pattern in that area in order to take a long position. The other thing I'm going to be watching for is if the market does break down, but it breaks down in a flag pattern, I've got to be careful. So that's one thing you're going to have to be aware of if you are taking short trades here. Watch for a flag pattern indicating that the market might be looking to make another leg up. If that does happen and we do get a flag, you've got a couple of different setups there, but we'll have to just see and wait how that sets up.